Hem reunit per en Julian. Catalunya està amb Julian Assange. Com que volem fer arribar directament a en Julian el missatge del que està passant aquí, us llegiré un tros del manifest en anglès davant del consulat britànic perquè els hi arribi el missatge també. We are gathered here today in front of the British consulate to draw attention to the case of Julian Assange, who is in imminent danger of being extradited from the United Kingdom to the United States in a case that we could call state terrorism. Julian Assange has not committed any form of crime. And together with WikiLeaks, he has simply fulfilled his journalistic duty to report on very serious criminal events that cost the lives of many hundreds of thousands of innocent victims. Whoever denounces these kinds of crimes can never be considered a lawbreaker, and even less so in the crimes exposed affect the future of humanity and the safety of millions of people. In addition, if this extradition were to be consummated, it would create a very serious precedent for the freedom of the press and the democratic quality and transparency of the world of information. It would also mean an added coercion to the work of the journalist. Along with Julian's case, we also draw special attention to the cases of the Basque journalist Pablo González, who has been in a Polish prison for almost 2 years, and that of Jesus Rodriguez, prosecuted in the summary of Tsunami Democratic, and that of Jamal Khashoggi, murdered with impunity in the Saudi consulate in Istanbul in 2018, without the application of any kind of effective international sanction. Nor can we forget the serious responsibility that the Spanish government had in the closure of the Basque newspaper Egunkaria in 2003. And the brutal torture and imprisonment of its editorial board of members. It is because of all these and many other international crimes produced in the world of journalism, both in the international arena and in the Catalan countries themselves, and given that the British judiciary will shortly decide on the possible extradition of Julian Assange, that we once again call on the Parliament of Catalonia, the parties that compose it, and the government of Catalonia, la Generalitat, to reaffirm the need to protect the freedom of press before the British and the United States authorities, and demand the non-extradition and immediate release of Julian Assange.